Serengeti National Park, meaning endless plains in the Maasai language, is one of the world's most iconic wilderness areas. It's Tanzania's oldest game reserve and the stage for the annual Great Migration, where over 3 million antelope, primarily wildebeest, journey to Kenya's Masai Mara Game Reserve in a spectacular natural event. After landing at Lake Manyara Airstrip, we took another small charter plane to Kagatende Airstrip, where we were immediately greeted by zebras as we touched down. The best welcome to the Serengeti.
We made it to the Serengeti.
As we arrived to Serengeti under canvas, the warm smiles and welcoming songs of the staff immediately made us feel at home in the heart of the wilderness. AndBeyond's Serengeti Under Canvas, located in the northern Serengeti, offers front row seats to one of Africa's greatest wildlife performances. The camp has just 8 private safari tents, each with a private porch, comfortable double bed, and additional seating areas inside. A cooler with refreshments is provided, and there's a private butler service available on demand. The tents also feature en-suite bathrooms and an outdoor bucket shower, which adds a rustic charm to the experience.
Staying at Serengeti Under Canvas for the next 2 nights. About to do a game drive. Lots of animals here.
Already seeing so many animals just driving from the airport.
Just started raining a little bit. Hopefully if it stops raining, then we'll have a bush dining under the stars. It's our first night game drive, so hopefully we'll get to see a leopard. We've seen the big
lions,
5, except for a leopard.
Leopards.
You're having a wine in the middle of noise.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So
Gonga.
Gonga.
they sing for you?
Our first game drive began with herds of zebras and deer, but then came the moment I'd been waiting for. A majestic lion that looked like he stepped right out of The Lion King.
This one here. This is the lower
As the sun set, we spotted a beautiful deer perched on top of a boulder, and not long after, we saw 2 female lions lounging on another one.
She's so cute.
Hi, Nala.
We ended the day with a magical bush dinner under the stars.
Having such a nice night, having dinner out on the Serengeti with my daughter. We had a great day today. Went on a game drive.
The next morning, we set off on a sunrise safari. We encountered a pride of lions playing.
Good morning, Simba.
And even spotted a baby hippo. Just when I thought safaris couldn't get any better, we learned that the wildebeest were about to make the crossing on the Mara River. Thousands of them. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
The wildebeest crossing the Mara River. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. This is insane.
To make it even more like something out of National Geographic, we witnessed a crocodile take down one of the wildebeest.
Well, there's one is grabbed here, down here. You see here?
Yes.
Sky on the here, down there.
It's not gonna make it.
We saw the great migration of wildebeest,
So amazing.
the largest animal migration. One of the 7 wonders of Africa.
After this awe-inspiring spectacle, we stopped nearby for a bush picnic with our incredible guide. Serengeti Safari, Fit Check.
We found a leopard.
And for our second game drive of the day, we were led to an incredibly rare leopard sighting. For the last night at Serengeti Under Canvas, the staff surprised me with a special birthday celebration, a memory I'll cherish forever.
Happy birthday, dear Sani. Happy birthday to you. Kata, munya, munya, usiache. Munya, munya, usiache. Yo, keki ni tamu. Munya, munya.
Lions roaring right outside. We're in the middle of the Serengeti under canvas.
Sadly, our time here has come to an end, and it's time to head to Klein's Camp.
Bye, under canvas.
Highly recommend staying a few nights under canvas in the Serengeti. Definitely a unique experience. Listening to animals at night. The best safari, beautiful scenery. The staff here is amazing. They unpacked all of my clothes and folded them and hung them up for me. They do laundry here. They sing and dance when you arrive. Always have towels waiting for you when you get back from your drives. The best.
All the best.
Yeah.
Serengeti under canvas.
Thank you.
See you next year.
Yeah. Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
All the best to cleanse.
Bye, everybody.
The journey on the way here was full of beautiful scenery and a graceful giraffe sighting. And just when I thought the Serengeti had shown me everything, we saw a pair of cheetahs sprinting across the plains. And that wraps up my unforgettable adventure at Serengeti Under Canvas. From the incredible wildlife to the heartwarming hospitality, it's truly been a dream. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and if you're ready for your own African adventure, reach out to me and let's start planning. Stay tuned for the rest of my Serengeti adventure.